In the heart of Word Village, where every letter, word, and sentence springs to life, there's a special trio of friends known to all. Rocky the rabbit, nimble and quick with a heart full of courage and curiosity. Torty the turtle, wise and patient, carrying centuries of wisdom on her sturdy shell. And Baby the airplane, a tiny yet powerful flyer whose adventurous spirit soars as high as the clouds. One day, a mysterious map fell into their hands, its lines and markings hinting at a hidden treasure. The friends felt a rush of excitement. With a shared look of determination, they embarked on the most thrilling adventure of their lives. Rocky, Torty, and Baby journeyed through the thick, bustling alphabet forest where words hung from trees like ripe fruits. They navigated through the dense undergrowth, their path lit by the glowing punctuation flowers. Their determination never wavered, even when they had to solve riddles posed by the tricky question mark tree. Next, they crossed the treacherous grammar gorge where sentences flowed like a roaring river. The friends needed to piece together the right words to form a bridge. With Torty's wisdom and Baby's creativity, they crafted a sentence so strong they were able to cross safely. Their journey then led them to the towering vocabulary volcano. The volcano erupted, shooting out a flurry of complex words. Rocky, quick as ever, darted between the words, leading his friends through the verbal storm. Their adventure was not without challenges, but their friendship and perseverance saw them through. Finally, they arrived at the X marks the spot, the location of the hidden treasure. With bated breath, they dug up a chest and opened it to reveal a book, a golden, shimmering book titled The Great Lexicon. This was no ordinary book, but a magical one that held every word in the world. The friends realized that the real treasure was not gold or jewels, but knowledge and the magic of words. They returned to Word Village, triumphant and filled with stories of their adventure. They had not only found a treasure, but also discovered the power of friendship, the joy of adventure, and the magic of words. So in the end, Rocky the rabbit, Torty the turtle, and Baby the airplane learned that the greatest adventures are those that challenge us, teach us, and ultimately enrich us. And the most valuable treasure one can find is the treasure of knowledge. With that, they lived on in Word Village, ready for their next grand adventure.